First of all, I want to thank you for participating in my training. My goal here is to enable people to improve their lives and income. I'm really happy that you found one or more of my courses, but I'd like to make sure that I can stay in touch with you and keep you informed about updates I make to my courses and any new courses I release in the future. If you didn't already know, I'm one of the top instructors on Udemy. If you go in here to Categories and go under Business and Operations, if you scroll down the page a little bit, you'll see that Most Popular Instructors in Operations, I'm right there. If you go up a little bit and you look at the top courses in operations and click on See All, you'll see that my RPA courses are right there near the top of the list in top courses in operations. If you also go to Categories, Development, Software Testing, and scroll down the page, you'll see that I'm also one of the most popular instructors in software testing. And again, if you scroll up to the top courses in software testing and click on See All, you'll find courses of mine right up near the top of the list as well. This is not to brag, only to help you understand that the training I provide is very high quality, and hopefully you'll find tremendous value in it. Again, what's most important to me is that I will be able to contact you and let you know when I add new content to my various courses, and also when I release new courses. So please make sure that for any course of mine that you own, you go into the course content, and in the options menu, you click on it and make sure that promotional emails and new announcement emails are both checked. That way, you'll be able to hear about new lectures and sections that I add to the courses, and also about new courses that I release and offer special prices on. I would also really love it if you scroll up here above the various course options and click on the Rate This Course widget. Click on the stars to provide a star rating. Select some of these things that you liked about the course. Click on Next. And hopefully you can provide some text information as well, because it is motivating for me to see messages from students that describe the value they got from my courses. I do spend a lot of time and energy developing courses, so it's always wonderful to hear from students. So please do take some time to go and check those two communication options and provide the rating when you get a chance. Thanks again so much.